Rosalind, it's a blessing.
People say I'm just nervous.
If it weren't for the nervous people in the world, we'd all still be eating each other. Well, I don't know about you educated people, but us ignorant folk gotta hit the sack.
Where is the dog trembling?
I got a whiff of those horses, I guess. They must be close by, get 'em.
Baby, baby.